So, back here in the garage today, diesel compression tester came in. I ordered the diesel compression tester kit for about 40 bucks off eBay. Cheapest one I could find, so we'll see how it works. And I ordered this adapter from, I don't remember where, but a diesel shop for the glow plugs for the 6.7. And they didn't quite mate up. So I had to grind down this fitting so it actually fit in here, which it does now. So that's good. So yep, out here in the shop again today, we're gonna do a compression test. Hopefully all the cylinders are good, and I'm gonna take you along with that today. So all right, here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the underneath right now. I pulled the inner fender out and I'm on the driver's side. All you do is, there's no clip or anything on this. Everybody was saying there's a clip on it, but there's not. You just pull them straight out for the glow plugs. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus, but that's the whole hole that comes out of right there. So I'll get the compression tester hooked up here. Alright, got the compression tester all hooked up in here. I don't know if you can see it. So we'll see. I think we're hoping for around about 400 psi here. So we'll see. Here we go. We got the gauge up here. So that's about like what we're looking for there. $400. So, changed my shirt, got done with the compression test, and we had anywhere from like 375 to 400, 410. So, yeah, I guess the compression's good on this truck. So what we're gonna do now is start tearing into it and get the upper and lower intake off. And there's a fuel volume control valve on top of the CP4 pump. I'm gonna take that off, and there should be metal debris in there. So that's our next step, and that's where we're gonna go. So, got the truck tore down here. Got this, I got this fuel volume control valve out. And if it'll focus on it, you can see there's no debris on this. So, it looks like we don't have a CP4 failure. I guess we'll have to pull this. There's a sensor over here on the back of the fuel rail. Maybe that's bad. But, yeah. As far as that goes, I'm thinking we don't have a CP4 issue. So, the diagnosing will continue, I guess. I'm gonna do some more research, look into a few more things, and then we'll see you this week probably with another video. Thanks guys, like, subscribe.